There is a great and easy recipe from a cookbook from the Great Depression era. It is of an enriched bread. Instead of using eggs and butter, which were really scarce products at the time, someone had a great idea to make this bread using only peanut butter. The original recipe of this bread also uses a lot of baking powder. So today I have my take on this bread using only sourdough starter. This bread is so crumbly and soft due to the high content of the natural fats on the peanut butter. And I know you're gonna love it, so enjoy the recipe.
Pour 240 grams or 1 cup of milk in the bowl of a stand mixer. Add 30 grams or 3/8 of a cup of granulated sugar. 5 grams or a teaspoon of salt. Add 300 grams or 1 1/4 cups of your favorite peanut butter. And 100 grams or 1/3 of a cup of sourdough starter. Mix all the ingredients with a silicone spatula to dissolve the peanut butter with the rest of the ingredients. Add 300 grams or 1 3/4 cups plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Use the hook attachment to mix all ingredients until you have a very soft and cohesive dough for about 20 minutes. The dough should look like this one. Now, take the dough out of the stand mixer and make a ball of dough. The dough at this point should be soft and elastic. Place the dough in a proofing container for about 4 hours or until it doubles in size. After 4 hours, when your dough is ready, take it out of the bowl. This bread is so easy to shape. You only need to shape it to fit on a loaf pan, so there is no fancy shaping going on with this bread. Place the dough in a 4 by 8 inch or 10 by 25 centimeters loaf pan. Make sure to extend the dough well to cover the whole area of the pan. Cover the pan with a plastic wrap and let the bread proof for about 2 more hours or until the highest point of the dough meets the rim of the pan. When your dough is fully proof, remove the plastic wrap and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes or until a skewer tester inserted near the center of the loaf comes out clean. Let the bread cool off on a wire rack for at least 30 minutes and then you will be ready to slice it. The crumb of this bread is so soft and crumbly. The aroma and the flavor of this bread are incredible, and the texture will become one of your favorites. You have to try this bread.
Look at this bread. It is so crumbly and soft, and it goes well with anything on top. I know you're gonna like it. The flavor of the peanut butter really comes through, and this could be in itself one meal. It is so delicious. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new video every week. Thank you for watching.